Get ready to be amazed as we unveil an extraordinary collection of the world's most futuristic cars that you probably didn't even know existed, and one of them can even change its color. So make sure to watch till the end. First up, we have the Pininfarina B95, an electric beast packing a whopping 1,877 horsepower. This sleek hypercar is a tribute to Pininfarina's 95 years in the industry, set to hit the streets in 2025. The B95 can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds and hits a top speed of 186 miles per hour. Charging is a breeze, taking only 25 minutes to reach 80%. With 4 high-performance motors, 1 for each wheel, and 5 driver modes for optimized torque technology, this hyper barchetta promises an exhilarating ride. Limited to just 10 units, each B95 will be handcrafted, starting at a cool $4.8 million price tag. Inside the B95, sustainable luxury leather adds a touch of classic race car vibes. From its unique wheels to the carefully designed interior, the B95 embodies Pininfarina's Pura philosophy, ensuring each of these open-topped barchettas is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Next up is the Vision 111 Concept by Mercedes, a futuristic interpretation of automotive design inspired by the iconic 1970s C111. The striking metallic orange and black color scheme, along with the bold oval opening at the front adorned with the 3-pointed star, gives the car a distinctive appearance. The pixelated and versatile front-end graphic, reminiscent of the famous C111, features gloss black missiles on the hood that seamlessly integrate into a breathtaking glass canopy. The gold wing doors pay homage to the iconic C111 with their unique vertical openings, revealing an ultra-modern interior. The augmented reality component transforms screens and windshields into interactive displays, while the inclusion of axial flux electric motors and cylindrical battery cells showcases advanced technological innovation. The Vision 111 concept harmoniously blends innovation with a respectful tribute to the brand's heritage. Next up, we have the Maybach Virgil Abloh, a collaborative off-road concept by designer Virgil Abloh and Mercedes. This unique Maybach features illuminated logos, a prominent roll cage, and a departure from traditional luxury with industrial and off-road design elements. The exterior showcases pinstripes, massive headlights, spotlights, and a bonnet adorned with solar panels. With 17-inch wheels and robust off-road tires, the carbon fiber body encompasses an industrial-looking interior with distinctive features like drawers, a unique seat design, and an emergency axe bearing the Maybach logo. The off-white aesthetic continues with a spacious interior, with foldable TV screen, a transforming seat into a bed, and seamlessly folding glass door panels. The collaboration between Virgil Abloh and Mercedes delivers a groundbreaking off-road Maybach concept, seamlessly blending luxury and off-road design. Now, let's talk about the BMW i Vision Dee, in which D stands for Digital Emotional Experience. This color-changing sedan goes beyond conventional features. Equipped with identity recognition, it automatically opens its doors for the approaching driver and expresses emotions through visual cues on the grille and headlights, creating a unique and engaging interaction. The exterior showcases innovation with over 240 color-changing panels and dynamically transforming wheels. The front is enclosed with digital panels, LED headlights, and e-ink technology for customizable exterior patterns to highlight the car's forward-thinking design. Inside, a new operating system replaces traditional infotainment displays with a heads-up display, and the mixed reality slider enables drivers to customize their digital content, ensuring an immersive driving experience. The interior design focuses on minimalism, sustainability, and connectivity, aligning with BMW's vision for the future of electric and connected vehicles. Let's take a look at the Polestar Synergy, an amazing concept car that came from a design contest hosted by Polestar. This impressive vehicle is the result of a team effort involving 600 designers. Its exterior features a distinctive snowplow-like front valance, twin-blade lights, an integral rear wing with translucent rear light bar, and aero elements designed for both aerodynamics and visual appeal. Inside, the single-seat configuration prioritizes a driver-centric experience, incorporating a 3-layered interior with a driver monitor, a steering wheel-integrated biometric display, and an augmented reality visor for an immersive driving experience. The Polestar Synergy is powered by dual motors and a substantial battery pack in line with Polestar's commitment to electric propulsion, envisioning a sustainable future for mobility. Up next, we have Gina, a groundbreaking fabric-skinned sports car concept developed by BMW. This innovative project serves as a research endeavor, exploring new concepts in car manufacturing and design. The exterior is covered in a unique polyurethane-coated spandex fabric, providing water resistance, translucency, and resilience to temperature extremes. The fabric, stretched over a frame with movable parts, allows the car to dynamically change its shape based on external conditions or driver preferences. Notably, the car features only 4 main exterior components: the bonnet, 2 side panels, and the trunk. The Gina Light Visionary model represents BMW's commitment to pushing automotive design boundaries, utilizing fabric as a primary material and offering a glimpse into the future of adaptive and shape-shifting vehicles. Next up is the Bentley EXP 100 GT, an electric self-driving car concept. This striking vehicle is built with lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber and spans nearly 19 feet in length. The front introduces a new flying bee mascot and a vast illuminated grille with over 6,000 LED lights, serving multiple purposes, including greeting the driver and warning pedestrians during autonomous mode. EXP 100 GT boasts 4 electric motors, generating 1,400 horsepower and 1,100 pounds of torque. This car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds, and a top speed of 186 mph with an impressive range of 435 miles. Inside the EXP 100 GT, there's an alien spaceship cockpit, featuring Bentley's luxurious materials and exquisite craftsmanship. Biometric technology in the seats goes beyond heating and cooling, monitoring body temperature, posture, eye and head movements, and even blood pressure, using artificial intelligence to personalize the driving experience. In its fully autonomous mode, the steering wheel retracts, seats rotate for face-to-face conversations, and a Bentley personal assistant, similar to Alexa or Siri, delivers relevant information. The EXP 100 GT represents Bentley's ambitious vision for sustainable, high-performance, and enjoyable driving experiences. Now, let's talk about the Alpha 5, Delorean's latest offering. This car comes with the iconic gull-wing doors, crafted from lightweight composite materials, paying homage to the original DeLorean. The rear showcases intricate folds, illuminated elements, and a captivating light show, emphasizing the Alpha 5's attention to detail. Inside, there's a special DeLorean sense band that tracks your pulse and body temperature for a unique experience. The dashboard has a modern screen that you can customize to make it feel nostalgic, like the original car. Under the hood, the Alpha 5 boasts dual electric motors, delivering all-wheel drive performance with a 300-mile range and 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Beyond its electric capabilities, the Alpha 5 signifies a shift in the premium car industry, blending iconic design, innovative technology, and personal connection features, showcasing the evolution of the DeLorean brand into the future. Next is the Qualcomm Snapdragon digital chassis concept, which is like the superhero of car tech, blending sedan and coupe vibes with a sleek design featuring a wide front light bar, slim headlights, and fancy suicide rear doors that catch your eye. Inside, it's got all the cool stuff. 16 cameras for mirror images, biometric ID, interior lighting with face scan recognition, and 8 displays, including these rounded ones for side view mirrors. The Snapdragon cockpit platform manages applications and displays, while the Snapdragon Drive platform focuses on road perception. Basically, the Qualcomm Snapdragon digital chassis concept is like the next-level superhero of cars, changing the game and how we connect with our rides and giving car companies new money-making tricks. Which futuristic car impressed you the most? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this futuristic exploration, watch this next video that features the futuristic Hyperion XP1. That's not just fast, but it's also hydrogen-powered.